DJ Lazy K.
Killer Track Production.
What up, baby?
I said, why is we talking? Man, I feel like I'm the damn truth. I tell Blue that he need to get a damn crew. Couple stacks, then I'ma drop the damn roof. The hoes love a nigga in and out the damn coop. 2 seconds, I'ma hit 160 on the dash. No lie, I got the hood on smash. Married to the money, committed to the cash. Young, flying, flashy, a nigga moving fast. I'm hungry, it's time for me to start eating. Then I'm letting shit go, this diarrhea season. I'm waiting for a reason to have your peoples grieving. I'm pouring out the liquor and lighting up the treason. Shit, I'm tired of teasing, the people tired of waiting. It's 2011, aren't you tired of hating? But I ain't tired of caking, man, I'm trying to make it. Made men don't talk, and I ain't got a statement. I think I'm sicker than your average. All this green looking like salad, extra cabbage. All that whack rap beef shit, you can have it. I run up and dump the whole shit like the Mavericks. Ray Charles, no, I don't see these niggas. I chuck the deuces up, that's how I greet these niggas. And if it ain't about the money, I don't meet these niggas. Fuck you pay me, that's how I treat these niggas. You're all ass. If you ask me, that green crew got them thinking that they Max B. Picture a bitch trying to trap me. I put the bitch on foot like an athlete. Sit back, get high, and smoke on the sour. You used to ball, now you trash. Juwan Howard, I'm running point guard. Switch the tempo, it's diarrhea season. I'm letting shit go. I know you feeling this the intro. Diarrhea season, I'm letting shit go. Mucker mix.
What's going on, y'all? This Mitch Millions, aka Mookie Mitch. You feel me? Mookie ENT, Florida Science City. Dropping my mixtape October 22nd. My notebook keep calling me. Y'all look out for that. Got 12 bangers on there for everybody. You feel me? You know, we shitting on the competition this year. This 2011, people asking me when I'm going to drop my shit. It's coming, y'all. Just be patient. I know y'all been waiting. Thank you. You feel me? I appreciate it. Thank you for believing in my way. You feel me? Like I said, Mookie ENT, Florida Science City, October 22nd. My notebook keep calling me. Holla at your boy.